Ladyfinger, also known as bhindi or okra, is a versatile and nutritious vegetable that is widely used in various cuisines around the world. This slender, green pod vegetable has a unique texture and a mild, slightly sweet taste that pairs well with a variety of spices and ingredients. Ladyfinger is often celebrated for its health benefits. It is a rich source of dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it a valuable addition to a balanced diet. It is low in calories and contains no saturated fat or cholesterol, making it an excellent choice for those seeking healthier food options. In cooking, ladyfinger can be prepared in a multitude of ways. Its distinctive texture makes it suitable for both stir-frying and using in soups, stews, curries, and salads. One popular way to enjoy ladyfinger is by cooking it with a selection of aromatic spices, such as cumin, coriander, turmeric, and chili powder. These spices enhance the natural flavors of the vegetable and add a delightful kick to the dish. When cooked properly, ladyfinger retains its unique crunch while becoming tender and succulent. It pairs well with a variety of ingredients, such as tomatoes, onions, garlic, and ginger, creating a flavorful combination that is both satisfying and wholesome. Ladyfinger can also be stuffed with a variety of fillings, ranging from spiced potato mixtures to minced meat or paneer, Indian cottage cheese, creating a delightful and indulgent dish. Ladyfinger is not only delicious but also a popular choice for those who love experimenting with vegetarian and vegan cooking. Its versatile nature allows it to be incorporated into various cuisines, including Indian, Middle Eastern, African, and Caribbean dishes. It is a staple ingredient in dishes like bhindi masala, bhindi fry, and bhindi do payasa. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, ladyfinger offers endless culinary possibilities. Its vibrant green color, unique texture, and mild taste make it an appealing choice for creating wholesome, flavorful, and nutritious meals. So, the next time you come across ladyfinger at your local market, be sure to bring some home and explore the delicious world of this versatile vegetable.